Simply CNC is proud to introduce you to the Mira series of CO2 lasers manufactured by AEON. If you have been creating with an entry-level laser and are quickly outgrowing its capabilities, making the change to a Mira series laser cutting machine is a smart move. Ditch your slow laser and unlock possibilities with a desktop laser that can keep up with demand. A great option for hobbyists, mompreneurs, and paupreneurs looking to take their business to the next level. By choosing an AEON Mira laser, you can enjoy fine detail for laser engraving and laser cutting. Ideal for working with materials such as plastic, wood, leather, and aluminum, the possibilities for creation are endless. Choosing an AEON Mira from Simply CNC will also help to improve your productivity and streamline your process with its clean pack design, built-in water chiller, exhaust fan, and air pump. Contact us today at Simply CNC and let us help you on your laser journey.